I proudly say this now that I gave the worst audition of my life. I was like, okay, I need a cigarette break. I stepped out and I'm smoking, and then Ranveer walks in and he's like, तेरे को पता है जब मैं बैंड बाजा बारात शूट कर रहा था ना, मैं वो सीन पूरे दिन शूट नहीं कर पाया, अगला दिन लगाना पड़ा, कुछ नहीं होता भाई, एक ही टेक आता है फाइनल. And that was a big thing. I mean, it has given more to Nazy and to Divine than it has taken away. This is my take. Hi guys, मेरा नाम है नकुल रोशन सहदेव और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं इंडिया फोरम पे.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi Nakul, welcome to India Forums.
Thank you so much, Nikita,
How
for
are you
having me
doing?
here. I am doing great.
Well, for the audiences, let me just take them back while I'll be saying this. We'll be flashing the pictures of you from Gully Boy, so that they could,
Okay.
so that they could, just recollect all those memories.
Sure.
Firstly, I want to know, जब Gully Boy आपके पास आई होगी,
जी.
या आपने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा होगा, आपके रोल के बारे में थोड़ा सा पढ़ा होगा.
जी.
How did you decide to like just jump in? स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के या उसके लीड्स सुन के या फिर just because you just liked it so much कि I was waiting for something like this तब मैं करूँगा. How was that
Okay.
process?
So first thing first, it was an audition.
Okay.
I got a audition call from Nandini,
Okay.
whom I used to assist long back for Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. So that was my first introduction to Excel.
Okay.
और एक साल पहले एक्चुअली मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, ही कंप्लीटेड हिज डायरेक्शन कोर्स एंड ही वाज लाइक, यार जोया एक फिल्म बना रही है, इट्स कॉल्ड गली बॉय एंड दिस एंड दैट, एंड ट्राई करना, मुझे असिस्टेंट के लिए कुछ है. तो लाइक अभी तो ये बहुत प्रेप में और अभी कुछ चल नहीं रहा है, मूवमेंट नहीं है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 9 months later I got a call. You're used to as an actor to give audition. I gave the audition, I got shortlisted, and then they're like, okay, second round of audition, it's with Zoya, and come for the audition. I was like, okay, great. They had sent me a wrong script in the night, and I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, now whom do I call? Because it's really late. I think 11:30, something like that. I was like, any which ways, tomorrow I'm gonna handle, because there was no dialogue of Salman and no mention of Salman, and I'm like, okay, what am I doing in this? So I reached there and like, oh नकुल वो गलती हो गया था, उस अलग कैरेक्टर का स्क्रिप्ट आ गया था, ये है. I was like, okay, ठीक है. One of the scenes were similar what I did.
Okay.
And Zoya was there and I gave the audition, and I proudly say this now that I gave the worst audition of my life. It was horrible. It was like, the times when you think you have done bad, and you're sitting in front of the director. So there is no like, okay, give me one more chance or whatever. I just shook her hand, not even looking into her eyes, and I'm like, nice meeting you, Zoya. And then I'm just like, what am I doing with my life? And one opportunity and all of that.
Yeah.
Luckily, after a month, I got another call, and like, Zoya wants to test you again.
Wow.
I'm like, okay, great. And this was somewhere end of the week, and Wednesday she was supposed to meet. So I had 3-4 days, and I was like, okay, send me the script.
Chalo, let's prep again.
Let's prep properly. And then I went on to the audition room, and Zoya's like, are you nervous? Do you need tea, coffee, juice, anything? Please understand, Nakul, I need you more for this film than you need this film. So please don't fuck it up this time. And I was like, okay, now what do you want? And I was like, nothing, let's do the take. And it was in that moment, and I was like, I just shut off everything.
Yeah.
And Karan, who's the associate, Nandini and Karan works together. And Karan Wali and I, we are just like in the take, and there was one beat we're like trying to nail it, and we are in the process, and Zoya's like, okay, you got the film, go home. And, it's just that moment, I'm like, ho gaya. And I'll never forget that day, because that day was really special. I got Gully Boy. Barcelona won the biggest comeback with PSG. I was waiting. I remember getting up and looking myself in the mirror, and I have this marker with which I write on my whiteboard and stuff. I wrote on my chest like, I'm number one, and like whatever it is, in the evening I have the best match to watch. And before that I'll be doing this audition. So that's like one small journey of Gully Boy. Yeah.
वैसे अगर मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँ कि वो पहला इंसान कौन था आपके लाइफ में जिसके साथ आपने वीडियो शेयर करी और उनका रिएक्शन क्या था?
My brother.
Yeah.
So my brother is like, he always stays in Zen mode. Like if you give him the worst news possible, he'll be like, okay. And if you give him the greatest news, he'll be like, good.
Okay.
you can't judge like whether he's happy, he's sad, and I want to attain that in my life. Like that's my dream. Like to be in that space of being neutral with the best and the worst in life.
But isn't this like the better version of you? Like so expressive कि इतने सारे expressions.
See, I want to contain this, so I take it out in front of camera rather than like doing it out there in a daily life.
Correct.
So yeah.
So you just said, okay.
Yeah, I mean, I'm getting there. I'm not. I'm professional hazard. My emotions are right there on my face and on my body language, but I'm trying to contain it.
Wonderful. I digged a little bit on your Instagram and I came
Okay.
across a highlight, which is completely of Gully Boy.
Yeah.
If I want to ask you ऐसी highlight आपको forever आपके memory में etch करनी होगी of Gully Boy,
Yeah.
वो कौन सी होगी?
See, what I told you about the
Yeah.
audition one.
Yeah.
That definitely is. Second one, I remember with we were doing the train sequence, and this one again, that one particular beat, and we were trying to nail it. It was around 4-5 takes, and being as a newcomer, you take the pressure of takes. And I was like, okay, I need a cigarette break. I stepped out and I'm smoking, and then Ranveer walks in and he's like, तेरे को पता है जब मैं बैंड बाजा बारात शूट कर रहा था ना, मैं वो सीन पूरे दिन शूट नहीं कर पाया, अगला दिन लगाना पड़ा, कुछ नहीं होता भाई, एक ही टेक आता है फाइनल. And that was a big thing, that truly speaks of how he's a wonderful team player. So yeah, these two things are always close to me. Yeah.
It's indeed a hard work. Before I move ahead, one last question related
Sure.
to Gully Boy. If there is one learning that you took from Zoya ma'am
Yeah.
or from the entire process of Gully Boy,
Yeah.
क्योंकि काफी ज़्यादा सुर्खियों में थी ये film.
Yeah.
रिलीज होने के कई महीने तक बाद भी चर्चों में थी.
Right.
Even after when Nazi was in Big Boss, तभी भी
Yeah.
ये बहुत चर्चों में थी because उन्होंने कहा कि it really did not do justice to the story of his life. But I want to ask you
Yeah.
2 questions from this. One, what was the learning that you took from Zoya ma'am that you will always remember? And 2, what is your take on this statement that Nazi had made when he was in the Big Boss कि इस picture ने उनकी life पे justice नहीं करा है?
Okay, so the first question.
Yeah.
One thing is that respect is the most important thing, and this is what I learned from Zoya. There is no hierarchy for respect, and that's with Excel, that's with Zoya, and I love that. And I want to practice that for as long as I work or for as long as I'm alive. That's one thing I'm gonna take it
Correct.
from her
Correct.
or steal it, whatever. Now coming to the second part.
Yeah.
Okay, when something good happens to you in life, I'm that kind of a person. I look at things what is positively given me. Now that film has given voice to so many artists.
True.
If you think about it, those
Absolutely.
artists was not there.
Absolutely.
They were making great music
Yeah.
because I was hanging out with them. Most of them, they were chilling in my living room,
Wow.
and I was like, there's so much of talent because I mean, not from Mumbai. I always had this idea about Dharavi that underprivileged kids,
Correct,
they don't
correct.
have resources. How
Yeah.
this is what we know.
बिल्कुल.
Trust me, you sit with them, and the amount of talent they have, they'll make us feel insecure. The people who come with slight privilege of life.
Wow.
Now, and when such artist gets voice, then today all of us are enjoying that music. That film was just not a film about Nazi and Divine.
Yeah.
At a surface level, it was, but it was a cultural revolution if you think
बिल्कुल.
about it.
बिल्कुल.
So, I mean, it has given more to Nazi and to
Yeah.
Divine than it has taken away. This is my take. I mean, if somebody makes a film on me,
Perfectly.
and after like 2 months,
Yeah.
everybody's talking about Nakul.
Correct.
If there are 2 things, I'll be like, okay, yeah, forget
ठीक
about
है,
those
yeah.
2 things. Focus on those 8 things what he has given me. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, you need to have a sense of gratitude for that.
बिल्कुल.
I feel that.
Also, if I'm not wrong, Hustle जो चालू हुआ the show,
Yeah.
it was big before
After.
Gully Boy, after Gully Boy, right?
Gully Boy
So, the
just
change
revolutionized.
begun, right?
Correct. It was a change. You rightly said it was a change.
After that, life कुछ change हुई, बहुत ऐसे interesting किरदार आने चालू हुए that या फिर you went looking for characters where you could explore, because then when I saw you in
Yeah.
Candy,
Yeah.
that was something really out of the box I felt कि यार एक
जी.
psychological thriller है, and इसके पहले मैंने तो इनको एक अलग किरदार में देखा था, now a different avatar. How did that happen?
Okay, so Gully Boy actually मेरा बहुत खूबसूरत visiting card बन गया.
हाँ.
you know every actor I feel all actors are great.
Correct.
बट सबको ना बस वो एक वो विजिटिंग कार्ड की जरूरत होती है. तो मेरे लिए गली बॉय वो विजिटिंग कार्ड था. उसके बाद ये वाला देन निखिल अडवाणी सर एक्चुअली कॉल्ड मी ऑफिस में एंड वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट फुटबॉल एंड दिस एंड दैट एंड सर लाइक यार अभी तो कुछ है नहीं तेरे लिए लेकिन तेरा काम बहुत अच्छा लगा. है ये क्या है मतलब थैंक यू फॉर द कॉम्प्लीमेंट बट यू नो नाउ यू आर लाइक ओके. बट देन पगलेट हैपेंड. पगलेट में मुझे गुनीत मैम के साथ काम करने को मिला एंड आई एम लाइक ग्रेट. जब कैंडी आया एंड वन थिंग जो मुझे कैंडी ने दी है वो ये है कि उसने मुझे एज अ इंसान एज एन एक्टर सब तरीके से बदल के रख दिया. दैट इज व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट यू नो व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग ऑन एनी ऑफ द कैरेक्टर यू just need to figure out कि आप सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार किससे करते हो. Because प्यार is the most illogical thing in life. Is love. And our stories as Indian filmmakers or Indian stories, it's all about love. जो हमें किसी और का होगा, अगर कल आप एक रिलेशनशिप में और अगर अपने बॉयफ्रेंड या हस्बैंड के लिए कुछ कर रहे हो तो आप यार बाहर देखे बोले ये क्या कर रहा है, बट जो एहसास आपको ही होता है. सो सेम थिंग इज द कैरेक्टर. अगर आप एनिमल की भी बात करोगे सो रणबीर कपूर का कैरेक्टर आई डीपली रेजोनेट बिकॉज अगर कल को मेरे फादर के साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ आई विल क्रिएट दैट सेम सीन इन रियल लाइफ. लव हैज दैट पावर एंड लव मूव सो मेनी पीपल.
आपके सेंसेस चले जाते
आ जाते हैं आई थिंक. सो ये हुआ. और अग्रिम देबो हु आर द क्रिएटर्स एंड राइटर्स. यार मैं अग्रिम को मोहब्बत बोलता हूँ और वो एक्चुअली मोहब्बत है. उसने मुझे खुद से प्यार करना सिखाया. इनेटली द प्रोसेस ऑफ फिल्म मेकिंग से प्यार करना सिखाया. पहले आप बहुत ऐसा एज अ प्रोफेशनल एक्टर काम करते कि मेरा काम ये है बट दैट इंटायर यार हम रोज सुबह मिलते थे ना कम से कम आधा घंटा तो हम सब एक दूसरे को हक करेंगे एंड आई लव दैट प्रोसेस. इट वाज कैंडी इज मेड आउट ऑफ प्योर लव. एंड Richa, she is such a caring energy around you. वो आपको वो ऐसा ध्यान रखती है. नहीं होता कि बदमाश बच्चा है अब मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है इसका ध्यान रखना. So she was that and it reflects in the scene. At least मुझे नहीं पता मैं कितना अच्छा एक्टर हूँ या नहीं हूँ बट वो सही हो गया I think because of the team. So one big lesson कैंडी से वो ये है कि ये देखो कि यार टीम कितनी प्यारी है और टीम सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट बनाने नहीं उतरी है. लाइक उनको वो जीना है वो टाइम. सो आफ्टर दैट माय होल वे ऑफ वर्किंग और अप्रोचिंग अ रोल वो पूरा बदल गया.
On this note, lots of pyar to the team of Candy and the new mommy Richa Chadda. Also, I'm so sorry that I forgot about Paglet. Paglet, I mean, I feel is such an underrated film till today that people should, मतलब इतना relatable है वो.
Correct.
कि ये ऐसा हो सकता है रियल लाइफ में. नॉट समथिंग ओवर एग्जैजरेटेड जैसे कि ये कोई बोल दे कि ये सिर्फ फिल्मों में होता है.
राइट.
आई रियली लव पगलेट. आई फील कि इसको उसका ड्यू क्रेडिट अब तक नहीं मिला है एंड इट शुड गेट इट ASAP.
बेस्ट पार्ट ये कि ये हमें OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स में दिया है कि अब फिल्म्स की ना शेल्फ लाइफ ज्यादा बढ़ी है.
करेक्ट.
पहले थिएटर में अगर आपने मिस कर दिया सो देन यू हैव टू वेट वो सेट मैक्स पे कब आएगी. बट अब वो ये है कि जब आप अच्छी फिल्म्स देखते हो तो पगलेट का आज तक पीपल लाइक अरे मैंने वो फिल्म में आपको देखा एंड आई एम लाइक ओके लाइक आई सेड देयर इज ऑलवेज व्हेन देयर इज अ चेंज उसकी वजह से हमारी एज एन एक्टर आल्सो बहुत सारी चेंजेस आते हैं. एज अ सोसाइटी आल्सो लाइक यू हैव our cinema is growing because of OTT and thank God Paglet is there and it's still giving me the reward which अगर वो OTT नहीं होता तो नहीं होता.
And I guess for that matter of fact, Vikrant Massey's 12th Fail is one of the biggest example for the same.
Wow, what a film!
Because when it was in the theaters, people thought कि अरे it's no fun, and on OTT it changed the game for the film.
Exactly.
Well, moving ahead, I want to ask you, how does it feel to be the hero from being the hero's friend to being the hero today itself? Like I'm talking about your upcoming project.
Right.
How does that feeling? I mean.
बचपन का सपना पूरा हो रहा है. मैं तो सिर्फ उसको एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज कि मैं राजस्थान से हूँ और मुझे मेरी पहली फिल्म लीड में राजस्थान में शूट करने को मिली. सो आई रिमेम्बर मैं वो बस पे आप आप डांस कर रहे हो एंड हवा महल है सामने एंड आई एम लाइक देख नकुल ये सिर्फ फिल्मों में हो सकता है और तेरे को करने का मौका मिल रहा है. पूरा एंजॉय कर इसको.
Wonderful.
Yeah. So I was living my childhood dream while we were shooting the film.
Wonderful. Without giving out much, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, what is
जी.
the entire film about?
Okay.
How would you like to explain?
So it is about love and how certain psychological problems can intervene into your love life because of some incidences.
Okay.
I hope I have not given out much, but yeah, it's somewhere around that. Yeah.
Wonderful. Lastly, last two questions before I move ahead to our rapid fire round.
Okay.
I want to ask कि इतना easy नहीं होता जितना अपने social media पे दिखता है ना to make a mark for your own in the industry. I mean, we always put the good moments, we always put, you know,
Yeah.
all the glitters gold kind of thing.
Yeah.
But पर्दे के पीछे जब रात को 2 बजे कोई रोल का ऑडिशन करने जाने के बाद घर आते हो और सोचते हो ये नहीं हुआ, and you're sitting alone,
जी.
and all this dark thought hits you.
Yeah.
वो फेज लाइफ में कभी आया? अगर आया तो कैसे खुद को संभाला?
मैम वो यू नो वेरी ऑनेस्टली वो फेज आप कभी हटा नहीं सकते हो बिकॉज आपके स्टेक्स बढ़ते रहते हैं. यू नो पहले की जर्नी ये होती कि काश एक ऑडिशन ही आ जाए, उसके बाद ये जर्नी हो जाती कि यार अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट के ऑडिशन आ जाए, बड़े रोल के ऑडिशन आ जाए. सो द स्टेक इज ऑलवेज इंक्रीजिंग. आई फिगर आउट बिकॉज स्टार्टिंग में आपको मुझे याद है क्योंकि जब मैं असिस्टेंट था कास्टिंग में, तो मैं जब ऐसे लंबी लाइन देखता था, देयर आर सो मेनी टाइम्स आई हैव लेफ्ट माय लंच थिंकिंग कि यार जब मैं भी बाहर जाऊंगा तो यही लाइन में तो मुझे सी टुडे आई एम हियर एज अ बिकॉज वो लोग मुझे सर बोल के बात कर रहे हैं एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक 18-19 ईयर ओल्ड. उस टाइम भी बहुत कुछ सिखाया बिकॉज एंड आई स्ट्रांगली फील कि हर एक्टर को इफ इट अलाउज देम कुछ टाइम ना कैमरा के पीछे काम करना चाहिए. इट जस्ट सेट्स एवरीथिंग राइट. सो वहाँ से और उससे इम्पोर्टेंट है यार लाइफ में थोड़ा सा हमारे उधर उसको ढीठ बोलते हैं. आई डोंट नो ढीठ को स्टबर्न इंग्लिश वर्ड होता है. सो लाइफ में थोड़ा स्टबर्न और ढीठ होना जरूरी है और यू नीड टू हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग रीसेट बटन कि यार रात भर रोए, उसके बाद जब नींद आ गई ना तो सुबह उठ के ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आज तो मैं दुनिया जीतूंगा.
करेक्ट.
I strongly believe that you need to have a very strong reset button. Anywhere. It's just not about acting, be it anything what you do in life.
So not to carry the कल रात वाला baggage that
नहीं उसको मतलब अच्छे शब्दों में जो भी आपको सूट करते हैं वो बोलो और आगे बढ़ो.
Okay. Nakul, if I give you 3 empty wish है आपके पास,
जी.
आपको fill करनी है.
Okay.
So 3 directors with whom Nakul would want to really work.
Okay. I would like to work with David Fincher. That's one of my favorite directors. Then Raj and DK, I want to from India because the kind of series and stuff they're coming out. It's crazy. It has substance. It has that right, larger than life space also. And the third one, I would like to see myself as a director and directing myself one day, maybe. Yeah. So the third wish list would be. I'm directing myself.
You're directing yourself.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Moving ahead.
जी.
हमने सुना है कि आप कुछ और चीज के लिए भी शूट कर रहे हो जो आगे हमें देखने मिलेगा, पर आप कुछ बता नहीं रहे उसके बारे में.
जी मैं अभी prep phase में हूँ.
Okay.
So prep is going on.
Okay.
It's something really exciting. One thing I can tell you, I'm working with a team who both of them I love the most. I think I've given enough hints. So like
choosing his words so carefully.
ये contract ना बहुत difficult होते हैं. So but no, I want to give everything to this, and this is something which is going to change things for a lot of people. It is a genre which I love the most. It is with the team I love the most.
Wow.
So yeah, there's all love.
Oh, wonderful.